Hello, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How have you been? Hope all of you are well with the grace of Allah. I'm also fit and fine. This is Jalaluddin from Kumilla. Today, I'd like to talk about my memorable day, which was actually horror. My mom, it was very bittering cold morning. The time my mom sent me a local market, Darra Bazaar, for collect a little kiloliter milk and some grocery. And I went there morning and I collect the milk and green grocery. And I was coming back freely. And then in the midway, when I was crossing the Digir par Chattar, that was a digi, big digi. And then I saw a kid, a baby, was singing into the pond and into the digi. And nothing thinking too much, I jumped into the diggy and I was able to rescue the baby. And that time I was shouting for help. Everybody come to me and they sent the baby. At the time I also lost my a liter milk. There was no a drop of milk in my jug, and I was at any cost I went my home, and my mom was shouting, seeing me, because he was afraid of me, and he wanted to know what happened. But at that time I could not utter a single word, because it was very bittering cold morning, and because my dresses was sweat and I was shaking. And at any cost my mom changed my dresses, and she make fire and warm me, and then I explained the whole what actually happened at the time. And my mom then feel proud, and she kissed me 10 times more. I recall it. For that time, I, not only me but also my family member also feels proud, because as a child, I was able to rescue a baby alive. It was also my first voluntary day. Whenever I recall this matter, then I feel proud. Not only me, but also my mom, my family members also. My family member also feel proud for it. I never ever forget it. I feel proud. Thank you everybody hearing me. Catch you later. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.